Hey, good morning you all. This is Matthew with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out in the Houston Arboretum right now doing some post-construction cleanup. So this is all the dirt and grime that we're getting rid of. And we got mobile unit, mobile water available. So if you call us out, you're at an isolated location like here, we can come out and still service you. We can get thousands of square feet done in less than an hour. So we appreciate the opportunity to have state-of-the-art equipment that allows us to give great, exceptional, well above the top customer service to our wonderful customers. So I want to show you guys a little bit of what we're doing here. We're gonna just we're gonna rinse this. I'm going to use both hands for that, you guys, but I just wanted to show you all a little bit what we're doing. We're getting rid of all the dirt, getting everything cleared off for the wonderful people who are going to come here tomorrow morning and start using the facility. So we appreciate the opportunity to work with such great people and on such a wonderful project. And we appreciate you guys being here supporting us. So thank you all so much. Please give us a call at 832-622-2924 and we can come out and give you all wonderful service. Free demonstration, free quote. We do commercial and residential building washing, post-construction cleanup, as you see here. We do soft washing. We got hot water that gets rid of all the gum, anything from the storefront, any retail shops. So we appreciate you guys being out here with us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.